People out here finding inner peace. I'm out here wondering why my car sounds like a vacuum cleaner. Ragazzon, huh? Valve's closed. Valve. Stop it. You're in public. Valve's open. Coming soon. Chaos. Stainless steel. Italian. Chaos. Let's get it installed. Alright guys, quick install update. Right now we are currently halfway through installing the Ragazzon M3 M4 exhaust. So come with me real quick. I want to show you the difference between the MAD, which is this guy right here, and the new Ragazzon exhaust. So as you can tell, the Ragazzon exhaust is actually longer than the MAD because it includes the pipes that you normally would have to put on these exhausts. So it's a pretty cool new addition. But enough yapping, let's get back to the install. Quick install update. We're about to put these bad boys on this car, but we've got a couple other options. You got the polished and you've got the matte black. We'll show you what those look like on the vehicle now.